Are we rolling? And we are live. Love it. Oh man. Hey, it's Allie from AFW coming to you from our super noisy warehouse. But there's a reason why we are in the warehouse today for our designer's den. We get a lot of questions from you, our followers, our customers, and we want to do the best we can to answer them. And one question we've been getting is, what is this whole factory overstock special purchases thing that we've got going on? So today we're going to show you exactly what that means. It means a super full warehouse. This is the most inventory that AFW has ever had in our almost 50-year history. That means that we've got furniture right here that you can pick out and pick up today, which is awesome. It also means that we've got amazing prices on some of this furniture. I'm gonna give you this behind the scenes look where we go from the warehouse to the showroom floor. So you're really getting a look at, you know, how the sausage is made, in this case, how the sofa is made here at AFW. So this is our warehouse where all of these amazing factory overstocks are coming in every day. We are getting thousands, and I'm not exaggerating, thousands of truckloads. And all of them are full of these special buys that we've gotten from manufacturers. And they're things that they're giving to us because, you know, we're awesome and they love us so much. And we're passing all the savings that we're getting from them right on to you. And at AFW, you're always getting the best price on furniture, but right now, you're getting like an insanely good price on furniture. These prices, I mean, most of us who work here can hardly believe them. And we keep them in special spots throughout our showroom. Some you'll see right at the front, which is downstairs in this showroom. The rest you'll find in our clearance center, which now has sort of been repurposed as our factory overstock center. That means you can find deals on sofas, dining, beds, pretty much you name it. Right now, you're gonna be getting the best price possible. And I know that's something, especially in the age of the internet, that we're all thinking about, because you don't wanna overpay for something and then find out you could have gotten it elsewhere for less. You can get it for less than anywhere, right here, right now. And that's entirely because of this special buy factory overstock event that we've got going on. So when you look around, see these little tags here, extra markdown. That means that we take the low prices that we're already giving you and take even more off. It's kind of insane. And so if you're asking yourself, when's the best time to buy furniture? It's always the best place at AFW because, you know, we're really honest about our prices, but right now is absolutely the best time to buy furniture. So yeah, I know we're not really giving you a lot of design inspiration this time, but I think just the fact that you're gonna get the best possible price on whatever furniture you've been eyeing should be inspiration enough. I know that's motivation for me, because saving money is really great motivation. We'll be back next week with your design tips and more what you're used to from our designer's den. We've got a lot of really great stuff coming up. But for now, I hope we're giving you the inspiration to at least check out AFW.com or come visit us at one of our showrooms. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Allie. I'll be seeing you more in the future.